Hello, my name is Benjamin Hart. I'm an American attorney and the Managing Director of Integrity Legal here in Bangkok, Thailand. As the title of this video suggests, ding dong, the decree is dead. And what are we talking about here? Well, which old decree? The emergency decree. For those who are unaware of the reference, I am from Kansas, and yes, when I meet people, I'm aware we're not in Kansas anymore. That joke never gets old. But that said, I am aware of the Wizard of Oz, and ding dong, the Wicked Witch is dead. Well, ding dong, the emergency decree is dead and hopefully gone for good. We won't ever have to deal with that again. I thought of making this video after reading a recent article in the Pattaya Mail, pattayamail.com. Obviously, this video is being filmed before the transpiring of this, so we will air it, presumably, if this comes to pass, but I think it's pretty much foregone conclusion now. Quoting directly, or the article's title from Pattaya Mail, pattayamail.com, I'm going to quote an excerpt here. Urge those who are watching this video, go check out that article in detail. Article's titled, Thailand to End State of Emergency and Dissolve COVID Center on September 30th. Quoting directly, the Center for COVID-19 Situation Administration, CCSA, resolved to end the state of emergency nationwide on September 30th, and the center, along with its 9 organizations, will be dissolved at the same time, according to the Secretary General of the National Security Council. NSC Secretary General Support Malaniom said CCSA agreed that the state of emergency should end on September 30 and would propose the end to the cabinet for approval next week. Since that time, we have read other articles and cited other sources that did come to pass. Quoting further, responsibility for COVID-19 solutions would go to the National Communicable Disease Committee, chaired by Public Health Minister Anutin Chanwirakul, General Support said. So, interesting stuff going on here. Obviously, a good day. Man, I don't know how many extensions of this emergency decree we've gone through, but this thing was promulgated March of 2020, I believe March 26th, if my memory serves me correctly. And we've been dealing with that up to now, which is October 1, 2022. That is a long, strange trip. I've been here the whole time. For those who've been watching, we've been trying to keep you up to date on this whole thing. And wow, this has been something else, just to say the least. But yeah, definitely glad that the decree is gone. Hopefully we'll never see one of these again, I hope, I pray, because it has been, I think reasonable people can argue, especially at the beginning, whether it was necessary. But one thing we know for certain, it has been devastating to the economy here in Thailand, especially the tourism sector, where it is just ravaged it. I mean, it's decimated it, as we've discussed in videos going back into January. Literally, the tourism sector has been brought down to 1/10 of what it once was. So I think this is good news. I think it's definitely good news going into high season. Hopefully this news will get out there and people will realize that, yes, Thailand is reopened, tourism is back. Ding dong, the decree is dead, and hopefully we're going to see a big old high season that's going to come at us, and hopefully this is going to be a major boon to Thailand and the tourism sector here in the kingdom.